Wayibona Sundowns?
Yes.
Iswana le salary yaka.
Which one?
Ichusha fela ka isatshotsela.
Mkoko. Uthini mngani wami?
This was the weakest Sundowns.
That's the weakest.
This was the weakest Sundowns. We're supposed to punish the Sundowns. Now, what failed us at Chiefs? The boys played well, but we were failed by the system. The double pivot ka 6. We played with double 6. Now, tell me, okay, we scored. Now, after scoring, why remove Upili? You were supposed to kill Umabua. You understand? Umabua Mambulala. And then you can introduce even Utuba to go and assist Upili. Now, those balls, if you check, now it's Sundowns just a niggas game. Umutau was nowhere. Ayende was nowhere. We failed. What failed us was the system. Hey, the system.
Why aren't you telling me that Kaizer Chiefs almost Sundowns? Hey! Hey, little bit. Hey, Sundowns. Hey.
Hey, leadership.
Leadership.
Lovers.
Leadership.
Yes.
Etitula.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know one thing, the leadership.
Yeah.
We didn't rise up to the level of African champions. No. Instead, we dropped Sundowns to the level of Kaizer Chiefs. It tells you we are actually great. Tibo, the problem is the system. Leadership.
You know what's the problem? You know what's the problem? Yeah. It's just that they are focusing on ABC Mutip.
Exactly.
And they think that ABC Mutip is here.
Yeah.
And here we're not playing ABC Mutip, eh? This is Kaizer Chiefs. We lost our own.
Why approach it to put approach it to at least if persons are attacking players with their family, then why should it why must us defend?
No, you know why? You know what's the problem? They thought maybe this is African Champions League. And this is not African Champions League.
But here's the biggest problem.
Never.
The Cruz didn't say control the ballet.
No.
The moment he says control the ballet, we win the game. He didn't say that.
Tango.
Bafana naibone 5-3-2 defensive masterclass by Kaizer Chiefs. I've actually been watching with TV, but ngivule phone ngala because the phone is a few seconds late. So I know if I've seen a moment or a certain action or a certain picture that I've liked on TV, I get ready to take it a phone in yami. So I've been taking some screenshots in different stages of the game, whereby Sundowns may petty Poly Chiefs just retreat into their own half and they form a 5-3-2 formation so that Sundowns ngazukwazi ukupenetrate. And also we midfield the Sundowns, there's a small problem ukuthi thina besijwayele ukuthi mhlambe umkwena now Ayende, okay, the late Adams, we understand the situation, but abekho mana abantu abangamathinka lapha ku midfield the Sundowns ukuthi now that we're facing ibhasa elikanje, how do we break it down? Because iChiefs ipakile kwilokhuzana kwi-half yayo yabo, so maybe they need a Siyanda Ndlovu, Mshishi, like someone who's a thinker, not labakhona bacabanga, but you know, a creative player ozokwazi to break ilokhuzana defense eMamelodi Sundowns, like a Ribeiro type of player who's going to be able to break down like resolute defenses. On the other hand, the Kaizer Chiefs is doing very well, but I think bayakwazi ukubypassa ilokhuzana, the first line of pressure eSundowns, i-counter press, lokuthi mayilose ibhola ipress masinyane bayakwazi ukuyibypass, but once bafika kwi-center or mhlawumbe ibhola laphumela kwi-next phase of play, uyabona ukuthi they're considering a lot of space up front. They only have 2 players and it's very difficult and hard to locate them. If bengasotha lokho abe-Chiefs besorte out nje ukuthi maliphuma ibhola emumva bekwazi ukuthi bazoyilungisa kanjani indaba yokuthi bayibambe Sundowns nge-counter attack, maybe play that ball quicker and you know bethola indlela yokupunisha, then kuzoba right.
Ayala ngutshele yona Mpandla nendini wena neMpandla. Hayi uyagcoba mfana kethu, uyagcoba inkunzi ukuthi nje ngoba ushota ngeteam mfana kithi uyagcoba awusawasha ama back pass. Hayi uyagcoba mfana kithi inkunzi.
Bafethu hayi namhlanje ke midlala ompetha beToyota Cup nompetha beAfrican Cup of Nation bafethu yabo. so leyo game ukeke end up iphela ngo-1-1 bafethu. Hayi ompetha be-Toyota Cup bafethu bahlulekile ukushaya ompetha be-African Cup of Nation bafethu. Hayibo leyo nto le i-CAF Champions League, hayi CAF Champions League bafethu. Hayi ompetha be-CAF Champions League bafethu banike ompetha be-Toyota Cup ithemba elibhedako, kwayingathi bayiwinile le game ngo-1-0 kanti hayi lutho mntanami isazobuya iMamelodi Sundowns. Kodwa nawe-ke ukuthi kuyasho nje phela ukuthi hey ngibona ibe wola mthuthu like to think ngashaya iMamelodi Sundowns like inosobhamand ucathi iKaizer. Hayi bafethu, hayi ngokwini iToyota Cup nje bafethu nithanda ukushaya eGolden Arrows ngokwina nje iToyota Cup bafethu senibona nifit to a point ukuthi manje nina seningamelana no mpetha be CAF Champions League. Hayi bafethu nani nibone niphuphe kodwa sometimes bafethu, hayi kodwa bafethu sibonge weMamelodi Sundowns ngokusiza kumsindo emesobhekana nawo la eSouth Africa, ngoba phela hayi laba bantu mebewinile ungazofunga ukuthi baqubulile kanti hayi bafethu yabo nje abantu abajabulela ukuwina iMakhufe Cup bajabulela ukuwina iToyota Cup. Ayisabonga amaMamelodi Sundowns ngokubuya bafethu nilikorele ligoli igame end up iphela ngo-1-1 ngoba hayi ompetha beToyota Cup akubona abantu bokuwina labana bafethu yabo. So namhlanje mesibuka omunye umsangano wegame yazi yabhora le game le bafethu. Hayi mibhora le game le kuyasho ukuthi lama team uthu ayiphuphele. Lo munye unestar somkokotelo nesuqondile, lo munye uneToyota Cup yomkokotelo. Mekudlala nje ama team ayibhedelana isala.
Leadership.
Fede.
Uri baba.
Shosho.
Uri.
Ona game efana ka uthane.
Yeah.
Chiefs ne.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ngithatha striker ne.
That strike.
Ngithatha striker ne.
Yeah.
Bona. Phidi o ma striker le Batman.
Yeah.
Arhan last time ko korile Batman ko ne.
Yeah.
But no. Today the last announce. As Chiefs they defend and won. You can't play Ndlovu Mabuya usas 10.
Without a strike.
Without a striker.
Yeah.
Who's going okay, they can pass. They pass who?
Yeah.
Exactly. But I told you last time get when I get born Chiefs. Better signing.
Yeah.
It's like until last season.
Yeah.
No. Left time born. No. Suddenly okay. And
Yeah.
We give them 2 players there.
Yeah.
That's what the same but whatever in Makas, baby at the two, price is too big. No, system
Yeah.
import too much. Sharp.
Yabona, if I had to choose man of the match namhlanje for iKaizer Chiefs versus iSundowns, bafethu mina ngizochoose uOximthetho. Lo mthetho uspanile bafethu wenzile umsebenzi wakhe in the midfield for iKaizer Chiefs. Yabona bafethu lo mthetho lo uwina ibhola kamnandi namhlanje. And whenever he had to pass the ball, he did that very well. His passing game bafethu has improved. Yabona abantu bafethu vele, if you want to find something on Oximthetho, you'll find it. But if you watch the game and if you watched what was required from him in that Kaizer Chiefs midfield namhlanje, I think he did everything very well. I mean, Kaizer Chiefs had a midfield like Mthethwa, Ndlovu, Nomaboy. Obviously, if you're going to have a midfield like that, bafethu, trust me, you have to win the ball. Sundowns have to find it hard to find those penetrative passes. And Oximthetho did that very well, bafethu, especially in the second half. There was a point where bafethu, Van Beek didn't know what to do with the ball, bafethu, because Oximthetho was on him. Bafethu, lo mjita bafethu, it's the third game running where I've seen him being consistent for Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, I saw him against the Kruger United, the first game of the season for the Chiefs, right? He came on in the second half, did the job. Against the Sekhukhune, did the job. Even namhlanje bafethu, he has done his job. Credit must be given to Oximthetho. And bafethu, I just wish for him to be consistent for the whole season. Because Axis bafethu, to be consistent for 3 games, then the other games awusatholakala. Hopefully, he's going to be consistent for the whole season for Kaizer Chiefs. Salute to Oximthetho bafethu.
If the league were to end today, Ndlovu is definitely winning player of the season for me. He's probably top of the team list for Coach De La Cruz now because he gives you everything as a midfielder, right? He's a bit aggressive, he's good on the ball, but also he offers you something going forward. And that's what we've seen in the last 2 games that he's played, right? Super consistent to start the season and thoroughly deserves man of the match, man. What an exceptional performance. The unfortunate thing about him is that his reputation as a good player has now been tarnished by how aggressive he can be sometimes, right? But that's also an element you need in midfield. And it certainly helped the Chiefs in most games, right? That aggressive nature that he has. Last season against the Sundowns, that's exactly how he was. And it got the Chiefs that result. But today, I saw glimpses of that young player of the season, of that midfielder of the season. I saw at Maritzburg United, man. And those are positive signs for Kaizer Chiefs because it can only mean that there's a good environment, conducive environment, right? So even players that normally in the previous seasons didn't reach their level best at the Kaizer Chiefs, we are now starting to see them contributing a bit more because I do feel like Ndlovu will want to achieve something big with the Kaizer Chiefs to end his career. That's a legacy that you leave behind. Same as Abo Mthethwa, same as Abo Peterson. Those are conversations they have that if we are going to leave this club, let's make sure that we achieve something incredible together. And they have a good group of senior players who've had successful careers in different teams, but now that they are here at Kaizer Chiefs, this is an opportunity. And Ndlovu seems to me like one of those players who sense that they can achieve something big this season, and it certainly shows in his performances. But anyways, man, good results, good performance from him, certainly deserves man of the match.
Peterson, right. Peterson, what happened? Because Ruku, height advantage 10 out of 10. Peterson, timing 0 out of 10. Because tell me how you lose a ball against someone who needs a step ladder to touch your head. Football is full of miracles. But as we are happy for the results. That is that 1-1. We are happy. We are very happy, and we are glad that Mamelodi Sundowns chose not to include Rion in the starting lineup, and never even made her to touch the pitch today, because Kaizer Chiefs was going to be in trouble. No, Amakosi, your time is limited. You can celebrate. You've got 20 hours. To celebrate being on number 1, top of the table. The owners are coming.
I just got back from the Calabash. Miguel Cardoso cannot beat Kaizer Chiefs. No, Cardoso cannot do it. Another draw. But I did call it earlier today, and I said, no, man, I smell a draw in this fixture. Because Cardoso is trying new things, he's bringing on different players, trying different combinations, as you saw today. First up, Sundowns were in control. We were playing on transition. But another thing, did we start too defensive? Because we had a lot of defensive players on. But then if you go toe-to-toe against Sundowns, sometimes they can rip you apart. But I feel like we should have beaten Sundowns today. This was the time to beat Sundowns. The first 5 games, Sundowns is still sleeping. After 10 games, Sundowns will win the next 10 games unbeaten. And that's when Sundowns is dangerous. The middle part, Sundowns is very dangerous. Ish, man. We scored first. Monyani, that chance. And then Peterson saved it. Was it with his photo hand? I need to see the highlights because stadium, it's view one stadium. You view something once. If you missed it, you missed it. I saw Peterson pull a save. I thought it was with his foot. Monyani turns goal 1-0 up. Ndlovu well played for the goal. Ndlovu. Dangerous Ndlovu with that. I was screaming, shoot, Ndlovu, shoot. But then he knew, lay it off to Peely to tuck it away. Give it to him on a plate. Kaizer Chiefs, I need to apologize. No, because I am a curse. I've realized I'm a curse. Because in the derby, when I was at the Calabash, I said, when Makgopa was warming up, I was like, yo, they're going to bring Makgopa and it's going to score. Makgopa scored. Casillas, when he was running onto the pitch, I was like, I joked around people. I was like, I went like this with his dance. I was like, I watch him go and do this thing. Few seconds later, header 1-1. Yo, Casillas, my Lula. That man pulling the equalizer. But I must say, I started to fear things when Sundowns, I think it was Mokoena and Ndlovu, Casillas, when they were there making a third man runs. I was like, hey, Sundowns was sniffing for a second goal here. But luckily we held on to the end and the match ended in a 1-1 draw. Good game, second half. But why do we fall asleep first half? 2. I knew this derby would be a good one. Sorry. But yeah, so our team with the Cruise is only going to come awake in the second half. That's our tactic. But I guess we're in the rebuilding phase, so we'll give him time. Nonetheless, good results. I knew it'd be a draw.
Yawuye Kaizer Chiefs 3 points olahlile kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Shooter akusophindi Chiefs ikwazi ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns uma ihlule igame easy kanje versus iMamelodi Sundowns. Phela le game iyona game ebe easy kuna wonke Kaizer Chiefs ke wadlala versus iMamelodi Sundowns kulo past 5 years. Noma ngithi kulo 10 meetings abeke baba nawo kwi league.